junking it out. So I'm about to make junk food, is what I call it. Processed junk food. I just left Walmart. Yeah, Walmart potato skins because I was not about to buy the TGIF ones. Got some turkey balls because I wanted some barbecue meatballs. I couldn't, what else for my PPs? I got some sour cream and onion potato chips. Some chocolates. Of course, I don't even know if I'm gonna like this flavor or not, but whatever. Alright, and I got some strawberries. I got these smoothie bags for later. Then I couldn't decide on chicken, so I got lemon peppers. I got what kind is these? Oh, garlic butter dry rub. I thought I had one more too. Yo, I thought I had 3 bags of chicken. I guess not. Okay. Oh wait. And then I have pizza. I have cornbread and pizza. I like the cheese on this pizza. Hold on. Okay. So I like this is one of my favorite pizzas, the home run in. And I did get the meat lovers, although I'm gonna pick most of the meat off anyway, but it's about to go down because I also got me some where did they go? Oh. Although they say like mimosas or whatever it's supposed to be for. I don't know why I'm like showing. They say like mimosas is supposed to be for like the horny. But whatever. I'm gonna throw some vodka in this and it'll be fine. It'll be okay. Okay. So the pizza pan is already occupied because somebody was just eating Jack's pizza. So I know that was my son and my daughter because I'm not a Jack's eater, but I'll eat it, but I'm not a Jack's eater. So let me go get me some pans out the garage. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and got some pans out the garage. I buy like the big pack from Sam's Club. I think 30 come in there for like $10 or $11. Like they might think they might jam it. Sometimes I reuse them. So I'm about to clean these real quick because you still gotta clean them, okay? Then I use these for my meatballs, chicken, pizza. No, I'm gonna put my pizza in my little oven, on my little cookie right thingy. And I'm gonna put the potato skins in here, or I may swap out the potato skins for some shrimp. Yeah, I'm gonna put the potato skins in here. All right, so y'all give me a moment. I'll be back. Okay, so I forgot midway when I was checking out, I did get this, or for me, because I know I'm not gonna like that strawberry cheesecake stuff or raspberry cheesecake or whatever it is, but I don't like that it's extra creamy milk chocolate. So I'm more of a dark chocolate type of girl. Like I don't actually like dark chocolate, but it's the toffee and the almonds in here that gives me each and every time. Okay, chocolate and almonds. Okay. So first things first, it's my meatballs. Okay, if I make too much food, just shut up. Like don't say nothing, because I probably make too much food. So you know, whatever. I'm gonna try not to go. That's definitely too much. Maybe I can eat it tomorrow because I'm not gonna eat all that thing. That's fine. Alright, so it says these meatballs have to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So 1-5. And so these have to cook for in the oven. Oh, thankfully same thing. They go in the same pan. Same pan. Now I don't feel like and I'm not going to make the sauce that I would normally make for the meatballs, which is like barbecue sauce, brown sugar, some jelly. I'm not doing that. We just gotta put a little barbecue sauce on there. I'm gonna go do one of those because that's all I want. Because I won't waste chicken anything. And I'm about to go through this bag and pick out all the flats. Like, literally all the flats. We gotta do these lemon pepper ones. Sorry. And these have to cook 13 minutes. Okay, so let's get this in the oven then. So I have some thick and tangy open pit and then some original Craved. And I'm gonna just pour a little bit of each on here. The oven just beeped, so it's done. And I got it on 430. Because I was gone a little bit, so everything is not melted. That's good. That's so good. That's good too. Cheaper. It used to be cheaper at Dollar Tree, but like now it's actually cheaper in the store. Okay, so we put those in there. So these wings, it says preheat them to 450. I got them 430 because they're not all the way frozen. Like restaurant style and whatnot. I don't eat big chicken, so if anything in here is big, it's going in the garbage. My son ate it. Never mind. It's just like a dude. They eat anything. All right. See, like these are cool. This is the lemon pepper sauce. This one I might be able to work with. Slippity ass chicken. Alright, we'll put these in Ziploc bags. Or I have a pea sealer that I may be able to use. Okay, so to cook these, alright, it says to preheat the oven, cook for 12 minutes, pour the glaze, and toss it around. Okay. So this is a layer thing. This chicken is going in the oven too because 13 minutes to me in actual cook time is like 20 minutes. So everything is about to cook together. Okay. And then for my pizza to avoid doing like 2 separate ovens, and only I really like the home run in because my kids like all the other pizza, whatever. I'm gonna cut this pizza and I'm gonna put a slice in there with the meatballs and stuff because that's all I need. Because like I said, I got me some wine, and then I'm about to go and watch. Is it His and Hers on Netflix? Yeah. Or no, actually, I'm gonna watch that Tiana Taylor movie first with Ben Affleck and the other dude, that Jason Bourne. I was gonna say that one dude that lost his identity. Yeah, I'm gonna go watch that because Chris is in there from SWAT, and she's not on SWAT anymore. Like, do y'all know when the new SWAT is coming out? I don't know. Okay. But anyway, so I'm about to cut me a piece of this pizza. All of this meat already ended up going in the garbage. I swear to God. Let's see. I just feel like eating bread today. I really don't eat a lot of bread. We don't eat a lot of bread here. So, and although this video will be posted later, but my son is gone with my stepdad right now to get a car. And y'all, I'm posting this on YouTube. But on my Facebook post, I told everybody what I was going to do to his car, right? I'm going to wait till you go to sleep and I'm running out of gas, okay? I'm going to throw all of my stuff under the seat. When I get out there, I'm going to slam the door so hard, okay? I'm going to almost break a window. Almost. I'm going to pick up everybody I know. Yeah, I'm going out in the ministry in that car. I'm going to Sunday worship in that car. I'm going to go to my, he going to call like, Mama, oh my car. Like, boy, I made my meeting. Leave me alone. Okay, so let me pull the oven hot so if my glasses get furry. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. I'm going to do that like that. Move that over. Did we get this without touching everything? Yeah, we did. Yummy. I might take the pan, put everything in the pan. Okay. So, I'm going to do everything in that car. Everything. This is so I can put this back in the refrigerator, so I'm going to knock these like this to protect it from getting all messed up. I never noticed this barcode up here. I wonder if people actually scan those to let us pizza. I might grab my other phone and scan it. Okay. I'm going to get the knock them out in here because so this is what I'm about to put everything else in. Because these don't seal back up. I probably should have just sealed this on heat sealer. Not the impulse one that I use for cookies, but I have like one that I actually got from Amazon. That's 4 food. Make sure all the air is out. What happened to the meatballs? Okay, this one's for the meatballs. Okay, so I'm gonna put all of this stuff away and I'll be back. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, so my food should be done. I turned my oven up to 450 just to overcook some stuff because I be having to make sure my stuff is done. That just knocked me out. Okay, so here is my pizza. My what is this? Okay, so here is my pizza, my meatballs, and my potato skin. All right, so I'm gonna put that right there. Now I forgot to tell y'all, so I did find some wings in the refrigerator, some Tyson wings in the freezer. So these right here are like buffalo, but I'm about to put this on all of them and put it back in the refrigerator for like, not the refrigerator, put it back in the oven for like just a few minutes or whatnot. I wonder if this tastes like the lemon pepper seasoning from JJ's. Probably not, but. And so I just found out that they put powdered sugar in their JJ stuff. Y'all, I'm gonna make you one of these today when I feel like making it. But right now, I just feel like laying in my king size bed, okay? Turning on a good TV show and picking out. That's how I feel right now. And that's what I'm also doing. So, oh, it's not that hot. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay, good and gathered. Okay. I'm not putting that back in. Three minutes. Maybe 4. Okay, I did 3 minutes. I did 3 minutes. I need that for that's gonna be my fave. Second fave. I don't know about that. I'm gonna dip that in some ranch, so it's gonna be good. Okay. So it's been 3 minutes because my oven keep on beeping. This chicken smells so good. And y'all, I didn't have no ranch, so I'm eating some sweet pickles. So I did Chick-fil-A sauce. It's good. That's what I'm gonna use for my wings and that. And I think I'm about to just move everything to like a tray so it can look pretty. Am I gonna eat all this good? No. Okay, so that's my chicken over in that corner. No, I'm not gonna eat all the chicken. I'm gonna put that there. I probably should cut up the pizza, but negative. My favorite part. Then my meatballs. I'm gonna rub them all through this sauce first. And then there we go. There we go. I'm being a kid. I was eating this with my camera cut off. I got my Chick-fil-A sauce. And put that right there. Let me dip my chicken in there. I got me some sweet pickles. These are bread and butter. And I'm gonna put these over here on my chicken. Okay. Then to the chicken. Yeah, the chicken. All right. So here we go. What? I didn't pray over the chicken, but we are about to pray over this food. Let's pray. Amen. Alright, so let's go. Hey, I'm just about to show y'all just a little bit, but I'm about to go upstairs, put my gown on, and pick out. Let's go. I need some more barbecue sauce.